Welcome to Hap's Garage. I'm here with my Shelby GT500. Love this car, although it does come with the old prop rod, which is not enjoyable. But today I have decided that I'm going to install, and I have installed, some Redline tuning gas spring struts for my hood. They're very, very easy to install. They're not terribly expensive either. They bolt on to an existing hole drilled in the hood at this location and use an existing fender bolt to the fender at that location. And then the rod just pops into place. You perform the same operation on both sides and the hood operation becomes smooth as silk. You see it go down gently here, and then it rises up very gently as well, so we no longer need the prop rod. How cool is that?